you go. Now, my summer project builds the tool helps you to solve this problem. This is my project and it's one part of the topic called Mobile Assistant for Disaster MAD. And MAD is one of important topic of the very big project that's called Open Information System Disaster Management, called OpenSDN. If you want to learn more about OpenSDN, the project, you can click in this address and see more. So, what is OpenSDN? OpenSDN is a big project that developed a framework that for facilitate the access, filtering, and use or present the information and maintain from the government agency. And there's many applications, and one of the applications is for MAD. And what does the MAD do? Just I mentioned, MAD is for Mobile Assistant for Disaster. That means if you have a mobile device, the mobile device will show you where the shelter is and when the disaster occurs. So you can easily find out and it can guide you. So this is a big structure of the MAD. So this is open data, and open data is available for any city. This is the example for Taipei open data. So the open data will be stored in the central server called Internet server, and it will be distributed according to its position of the information and distributed in many local servers like 7-Eleven, Family Mart, or Taxi. That's called POS server. And POS server will send you to mobile device and it can guide you where the shelter is. So my project is in this: how to distribute this information from Internet server to each POS server. So this is the result. I can show you that if users use your mobile device linked to the POS server, and POS server will give the relative information that shows on the shelters some relative information and the map. And according to the POS longitude and latitude, and it will be set previously about the range. So how did I do for this? First, I just sort the open data into two main categories. That's just main. For image data and text data. Image data in this example is for the whole map. So image data is just like this. This is for Taipei City, just for example. And we just divide into many rectangular map, small piece of map, according to longitude and latitude. Why did I do that? Because longitude and latitude will construct an absolute coordinate system. That means this method can be used worldwide, not just limited in this area or that area. So after that, we just what many pieces of map will be distributed to each POS according to the POS position. How about the test data? The test data is the source is from the government website. So government website will offer this data, and this data will be catched by us. And this data, although they have many different forms, so first we just have to make a standard form to make this make each information of shelter be the same standard form, and then like image data to distribute according to its coordinates, and then take on each corresponding map. Then just distribute it, store in corresponding POS for the coordinate of the POS. So this is a combination. This is a map, the image data, and this is the relative information of the shelter. That the blue points. That means the what data will take on this, and this is the red point is for the POS the position. So we just link to the POS and POS give this, and red point is in the center of the map. So if users link to POS will give this map for according to its the POS longitude and latitude, and that will be set previously about the range. That ensures that each map will ensure at least one shelter. So this is my project, and for this part I will do more complete. And for in this TDT summer intern, I just learned about how to program and analyze this problem, and then I just learned how to present the result what I did, and then during this summer intern I just make many friends and to practice my English skill and how to communicate with him because I'm domestic intern. The last and this is the most important thing is that I just realized many different foreign culture because I domestic and seldom go abroad. So for this TDT I just this is a very good opportunity to to learn more about different foreign culture. So thank you very much for listening.
Now it's Q&A time. Any questions?
Could you repeat what's API?
API?
Yeah, one of the slides at the very beginning had API.
So which part?
Look at the second page. Oh no, the fourth one.
OpenSDM.
API.
I just didn't say for API. I just say about ISO POS.
Okay.
So I just if any problem about any question about this.
Oh, no.
Oh, okay.
So what's the next for your map? What's the next for your map?
I would. This is for the simulation for this POS concept. So we just have to implement in just for this is, for example, is in Taiwan, in Taipei. I just set the device for the POS and just try to distribute for the relative information for shorthand.
What kind of language did you use to write this software?
Oh, I just use Java. Java code.
This runs on like any mobile application, like an
No,
Android?
just this is for the for PC work, not just for Android system, because I just for information distribute, not just from the server to server, not just for the mobile device.
Okay, thank you, Russell.
Thank you.